Why is it? Oh, I'm going on a train! Yeah!
Please watch for the sliding doors. Departing from Gate 68, heading to Gate 69. Please hold on.
That little cookie car.
Dun, 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 dun. AKA you're riding Choo Choo Charles. AKA you're riding a train. Hopefully we don't crash. Like, right?
Yeah.
Like, imagine we crash. I'll be so dumb.
Yeah, we'll be so
I'm putting
dumb.
that thing on my. I'm clicking straight mode. It only goes straight. It doesn't stop. What the? Oh my! Oh my god! Bro, but what happens? No, don't press it.
Come on, go to level 4 if you want to race. Go to level 4. Go to level 4. Level 16.
I got it. Checks. Yeah. Yeah. Excuse me.